What's up YouTube, Silver Dragons here, and today we're going to do an old-fashioned silver unboxing. Let's get into it. Did you know SD Bullion is giving away a monster box of 2023 Silver Eagles? Sign up today at sdbullion.com/sweepstakes. Thank you so much for watching. I do sincerely appreciate it. If you want to learn more about investing in precious metals, or if you just want to watch awesome videos about gold and silver, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right, so we're going to get this unboxed. I'll talk about why I picked up what I did, and also stick around for the end of the video if you want to see the new 2023 Morgan dollar that recently came out. But with that being said, let's do the unboxing. Wow, break me off a piece of that Kit Kat bar. Here we have a Scottsdale Mint 20-ounce Kit Kat. They're literally called a Kit Kat, but it's just kind of a long-shaped silver bar. They are 3/9 fine silver. Take a look at the bottom here. Very interesting. These are obviously cast, so they have some type of a mold. They put the silver in, and then they put it in the oven, heat it up, and voila, there you go. They do such a great job on these, and actually this one's pretty shiny compared to my old one. Let's check out the first one I bought. Yeah, definitely sort of a different finish, different patina. I suppose the older one I have is just maybe a little bit more aged. Just over time it kind of turns that color. Look at the bottom. They're actually similar but slightly different. If you can see it, I'll kind of, there you go. You see the circles on the older one. I think that was the mold that they had. They cast it in, kind of give it those little lines. Let's see the other one. Yeah, it doesn't really have them. So I don't know for how long they kind of had those little lines on the bottom. But either way, such a cool piece. I love Scottsdale Mint. And by the way, I paid full price for all this stuff. They didn't compensate me or sponsor me in any way. I just love these. I think they're absolutely quality products. I want to get more of these in the stack. I would love to have like maybe, I don't know, 5 or 10 of these 20-ounce bars. They just feel really nice in the hand. It's a good weight. I mean, 10 ounces is awesome. Once you get up to a kilo, you're like, wow, that's heavy. I don't know. I just like 20 ounce. I think it's a good size. There's not a ton of products out there, to be honest, that are in the 20-ounce size. But look, if you're going to get something, I think you could certainly do worse than these bars. Anyway, let's take a look at the other one I picked up here. This one's slightly different. That is a quality piece of silver right there. When these were released, I had to pick one up basically immediately. I think I ordered this within just a few minutes of them actually coming out. It's their Dragon bar, and it's kind of got a weird weight. You think it'd be 10 ounce? No, this is 8.88 troy ounces. I got serial number 1036. That's amazing. I ordered it within the first few minutes of these being launched, and I've still got a serial number in the thousands. But wow, really, really cool piece. I mean, obviously, I love dragons. I had to pick this up just because it's Scottsdale, it's dragon, so to me, that's like win-win. But if we compare these side by side, you can actually see sort of the difference in the depth. It's like half as deep, I suppose you could say. I don't know, the Kit Kat is twice as thick. That's another way you could say it. So you can kind of tell it's obviously not as big of a, or as chunky of a bar, rather. But still a very cool piece. I mean, obviously, I'm happy to have it in my stack. I did pay a little bit more of a premium for the Dragon bar as compared to the 20-ounce Kit Kats. So if I get out my paper here, let's see. The Dragon bar was $264, and it's not 10 ounces. So that's probably around 30 bucks an ounce. The Kit Kat, $551, so right around $27.50 per ounce on the Kit Kat. But anyway, yeah, between the two, obviously for stacking silver, it's better to go with the lower premium stuff. So for me, I'm happy to pay a little bit extra of a premium for something with a dragon on it, just because, look, I'm going to add it to my dragon collection. Sure, it is part of my silver stack, but really I'm collecting at that point. You know, it's like a $5-ish premium with the 20-ounce Kit Kats. Those you can certainly stack. just a $2 or $3 premium over spot. Really not that bad. Now, I did buy these when spot price was a little bit lower than it is now. So we'll say it was maybe $2 lower. So I guess on the Dragon piece, I paid around maybe a $7 premium. And on the Kit Kat, kind of like a $4 premium, let's call it that. So, you know, all things considered, that's still not terrible. Obviously, when you get some silver coins, you could be paying $5, $6, $7 over spot. So I still think, you know, this is probably not the best way to go, but it is an option. If you're willing to pay a little bit higher premium, get some quality stuff in your stack, that's fine. Now, I do think it's important to diversify your stack. Don't have all of the same thing. So if you like to buy silver rounds, silver coins, silver bars, maybe do a little bit of each. I certainly have a very diverse stack. In fact, silver bars are probably the smallest portion of my stack. I know that's what we're showing today, but yeah, I've got a lot of silver coins, silver rounds, stuff like that. So I think it's okay to buy, you know, a little bit more, I guess, premium things here or there. I mean, we're kind of splitting hairs. It's really not that bad. But at the end of the day, look, I added some more silver to my stack, about 30 ounces added today, so I'm really stoked on that. But let's look at this Morgan dollar. Check out the 2023 Philadelphia Morgan dollar. Now, I did get this directly from the US Mint, and I used their new kind of subscription service where you just subscribe for the coins, they take the money out of your account, and they just ship them to you when they're released. Now, originally, I was going to buy a bunch of these. I was going to get the maximum I was allowed to buy and try and resell them online for a profit. It's retail arbitrage. People do it all the time. You call it flipping, whatever. But I decided, because they had raised the price and the interest wasn't as high, to get literally just one. I have just one of these, and it is for my personal collection only. I'm not trying to resell it or anything like that. So I think I paid $76 total, and they are selling on eBay for around $90 to $95 right now. So could I sell this for a small profit? Potentially, but I'm not interested in doing that. In years past, when these things have come out, they would go for $300 or $400 on eBay, and sure, that's a little bit more enticing than like $90. You know, a $10 profit, or even less probably after shipping and eBay fees, PayPal fees, all that kind of stuff. So anyway, I think these are kind of cool. I just wanted to collect one from each year to pass them down to my kids when I die and that kind of stuff. So I just bought this for fun, not really for silver stacking, just kind of for collecting. So anyway, I thought I'd show it off. It is still kind of a cool piece. It is from the US Mint, which I'm not a huge fan of at the moment, but either way, I wanted to show it off. So we'll end the video there. Let me know what you think of my purchases down below in the comment section, and I will see you all in my next one. Silver Dragons out.